Hey, it's NXT Boy here. Today I'm gonna do. Well, sorry I haven't done a video in a long time. I don't know, I've been busy with stuff, so I figured I'd just do another one today. So today I'm on my server Blayze, and then I'm just gonna do some trolling. I'm in Vanish right now, so no one can see me. But okay, so basically I'm just gonna choose someone to troll. Brad looks pretty good to troll. Let's see. Okay. Was he AFK? Oh, no, he's not. Okay. So I'm advancing now so no one can see me. Oh, I trapped 2 people. Oh my gosh. I'm only trolling him because he's British. Just kidding. Oh my gosh. That's not the right Brad. Oh wow, he left. Did he like get mad or something? Wow. Well, of course it's Brad, so of course he's gonna leave. Holy crap! Why is everyone so crazy? Oh my gosh. What the crap? He's not banned. Wait, let me see. What the? Who banned him? What the? I didn't ban. Oh crap! I accidentally banned him. Dang it! I accidentally did that. Oh. Wow. Well, I guess we're probably gonna choose someone else since now he knows that I'm here. Like, let's see. How about this guy? Gary. Oh, perfect. He's in his base. Oh my gosh. You can hear that too, so he's probably... If his sound is up, then he's probably getting scared. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't think he's... Wait. Oh. Whatever, I'm just gonna do someone else. No. How about Jelly Bean? What the... Atomic Cookies? Oh yeah, he's pretty... Looks like he wants to be trolled, doesn't he? Oh. Dang. Stop moving. Watch this. What? Wow, that... Oh my. Smite. Oh. Oh my gosh. Let's see the kind of damage I can really do. Oh my gosh, I need to find someone good to troll. Oh, sure, I'll just do this now. No, that's not. Also, no. Ugh. Gosh dang it. Oh, yes, perfect. Wait, is he AFK? Oh, no, he's not. Okay. Let's just make sure we can roll this back. Yes, okay. What the? Where'd he go? Oh my gosh. Oh, this one was a good house. Wow, it's taking forever. Ugh. Maybe him. No, because he doesn't have a base. Cool creeper. Oh. Oh my gosh. Whatever, I'll do this guy. TNT. Oh my gosh. He's gonna get so mad. He left the game. Well, that didn't work too good. Oh wait, he just joined. Spawn mob. Silver. Just 100. He loved the game. Blayze PvP. Throndorf. Oh my gosh, someone just stay in their base. TNT cannon? Holy crap, this is huge. X-Lags, oh perfect. Oh, he's almost dead, he has a heart left. Cartoon boy is gonna get so mad. Watch this. Spawn. Silver things. That didn't work. Oh my god. Wow. Surprised he wasn't dead. I'll do it right there. Ugh. Okay, that has to work. Spawn. There we go. Oh my, he just like flew off. What is that, committing suicide or something? Oh, you're going down. Boom. Oh, look, he's dying in there. He's gonna get so mad. Sponge. NXT boy. Oh crap. Oops. Watch this. Oh, that's it. It's gonna be the ultimate. He wants the explosion. Let's just blow this out. Just gonna have to roll this back though. Oh, they're gonna get so mad. Oh my. Yo, they're getting pretty mad. Wow, I'm lagging. Come on, light it, light it, light it. We're trying to break it before it blows up. How is he still up there? It's gonna get so mad. Let's do that again. Oh! Well, I have to go. I'll just roll this back. 10 minutes, 40. There we go, fixed. Oh crap, he died. Wait, no, he didn't. He's down. Oh my gosh. Well, that's pointless. Whatever. Well, I have to go now, so see ya then. Hope you like my vid. Bye.